High drama in Madhya Pradesh's capital of Bhopal as girl students of government school took things in their own hand against the administration. Of constantly being meted out with severe punishment by a teacher, the young girls protested inside the school campus and also raised slogans demanding an apology from newly appointed teacher Varsha Jha. The girls broke doors, windows, fans and tube lights in order to send across their message. In fact, as per the students, the teacher made them cut grass or even stand outside in scorching heat for a small mistake. In fact, this also including coming late to the class by just 5 minutes. They also claimed that the teacher made them clean the bathroom if they failed to arrive on time. The students further raised the issue of irregularities as far as the school is concerned, and also they spoke about the lack of basic infrastructure like drinking water and a clean washroom in the school campus.
The over anger of students, in fact, can be got in fact through these pictures, which I'm just telling you and showing you. The camera person will show you these picture of pictures of sabotage. In fact, here in this school and in this office, everything has been, in fact, broken by these students who are very angry due to the over, in fact, discipline. Here, I'm just showing you the picture of the sabotage inside the office and the classroom. Here you see all the articles, in fact, inside this office have been broken and in order condition. These all elements. Here you see the fan condition that is also being damaged by those angry students. In fact, the girls who were angry over some issue of over discipline in the school, they are, that is not acceptable to these girls students. That's why they did this kind of sabotage inside the offices, in the classroom.
ये सब जो घटनाक्रम हुआ है उसके पीछे वजह क्या है और अभी तक आप एक प्रतिनिधि हैं उस तौर पे क्या?
देखिए, ये एक बहुत अच्छा कुछ नहीं लगा। बच्चियों के साथ जाहिर है कि ज्यादा ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई होगी। ऐसी प्रॉब्लम होने की वजह से ये स्थिति निर्मित हुई कि बच्चियां रोड पर बैठी हैं, सड़क पर आ गई, बाहर आ गई, कोई कहीं बेहोश पड़ा। जब हम यहाँ आए तो सब व्यवस्थित था, तो पता चला कि बच्चियां बहुत दिन से परेशान है, हमसे टॉयलेट करा लिया जाता है, कभी ये कराया जाता है।
तो बच्चियों की शिकायत ये भी है कि यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा डिसिप्लिन उस तरह का है जो प्रैक्टिकली एप्लीकेबल नहीं है। इनको धूप में खड़ा करना, घास कटवाना, बाथरूम वगैरह,
ये डिसिप्लिन ठीक तो नहीं है। ये तो जाहिर है मानव अधिकार के खिलाफ है, पनिशमेंट श्रेणी से ये बाहर है। तो वो जब हुआ तभी, लेकिन ज्वाइंट डायरेक्टर ने उसको तत्काल हटा दिया। जिन्होंने ये मिसबिहेव कराए थे उस पर्सन को यहाँ से हटा दिया। वर्षा जिसको, उसको हटा दिया। और बाकी इश्यूज के ऊपर एक कमेटी बना देंगे और बात करेंगे, इस पर सारी कार्रवाई हो जाए।